How to optimize Facebook professional mode. In this video, I will show you how to optimize Facebook professional mode so you can grow your audience, reach more people, and make the most out of your content. First thing you need to do is to go to the official website of Facebook. All you have to do is to go to your profile page right here. You can just click on your profile picture and then locate the three dots on your profile page, which is right here. Then you just have to scroll down on this pop-up menu and you will be able to see turn on professional mode. You just have to click on that and then click on turn on so anyone can follow you, and your profile follower settings will be set to public so anyone on your Facebook can see your public content on their feed. You can still share privately to your friends though, so you need not to worry. So you go ahead and click on that. And now you can explore all the ways you can use professional mode to make the most of your experience. So after enabling professional mode, the next step is to optimize your profile. You just have to go to your profile icon, go home and then click on profile icon that you have, and then update your profile picture and cover photo with something professional and clear. Add a strong bio as well right here by clicking on edit bio that highlights who you are and what you do, or what kind of content people can expect from you. Now let's work on contents. So you can create posts right here that provides value, whether that's tips, tutorials, stories, or entertaining videos. You can use reels, photos, and written posts to engage your audience as well. So remember to be consistent on your posting so it helps you boost your reach and keeps your followers engaged. Never forget to check your professional dashboard as well, which is right beside your profile picture. This is where you'll see insights such as reach, engagements, and follower growth. You can use these numbers to understand what type of content works best and adjust your strategy for better results. If you qualify, you can explore monetization pro- tools like stars, reels, bonuses, or in-stream ads. These features can help you earn money directly from your content once you meet Facebook eligibility requirements. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.